Good morning, Gloria.
Good morning, Miss Kareena.
Today we will talk about farm animals. Are you ready?
Yes, Miss Kareena.
What animal says moo moo?
The cow says moo moo.
Very good. What does the cow give us?
The cow gives us milk.
What animal says baba?
The sheep says baba.
What does the sheep give us?
The sheep gives us wool.
What animal says cluck cluck?
The hen says cluck cluck.
What does the hen gives us?
The hen gives us eggs.
Where do farm animals live?
They live on the farm.
Do you like animals, Gloria?
Yes, Miss Kareena, I love animals.
Very good, Gloria. You did a great job.
Thank you, Miss Kareena.